Hello students, good morning to all of you. Today, welcome to Dr. Sanjay Singh Biology Tutorials. Today now we are going to discuss the another cell organism that is known as centrosome and centriole. What is the centrosome and centriole? The centrosome and centriole में बहुत ही confusion होता है. Both are present inside the cell cytoplasmic area. Here is the cell and here is the nucleus. In the cytoplasmic area, here the cylindrical pipe-like structures are present, that is known as centrioles or centrosomes. तो यहाँ पर centrosome is a type of cell organism. They are present inside the cytoplasmic area. The centrosome consists two cylindrical structures. मतलब अगर centrosome की बात किया जाए तो centrosome consists two cylindrical structures. ये इस तरह का होगा और ये दूसरा इस तरह का स्ट्रक्चर आपका फॉर्म होगा. टू सिलेंड्रिकल स्ट्रक्चर्स दे आर प्रेजेंट इन द साइटोप्लाज्मिक एरिया दैट इज नोन एज सेंट्रियोल्स. इसको हम क्या बोल रहे हैं? सेंट्रियोल. और ये दोनों को मिला दिया जाए तो दैट इज नोन एज ए सेंट्रोसोम. द सेंट्रोसोम इज ए टाइप ऑफ सेल ऑर्गेनेल. इट कंसिस्ट टू सिलेंड्रिकल स्ट्रक्चर दैट इज नोन एज सेंट्रियोल्स. द सेंट्रियोल्स दे आर फाउंड इन most of the eukaryotic cell. They are found in all animal cell, fungal cell as well as algal cell. Absent in the plant cell. It possesses, if you cut the section of the centrioles, अगर हम उसका सेक्शन काटते हैं, the centrioles is made up of microtubules or tubulin proteins. Microtubules are tubulin proteins. Here is the TS of the centrioles. The arrangements of the microtubules in periphery regions are radially arranged 9 plus 0 triplet. Here is the tubulin triplet microtubules. They are present on the periphery regions in the center area without any centriole. So this type of arrangements is known as 9 plus 0 arrangement. अब ये बात आती है कि व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ द सेंट्रोसोम एंड सेंट्रियोल. दैट इज नोन एज फंक्शन ऑफ द सेंट्रियोल. नंबर वन, इट हेल्प द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ बेसल बॉडीज. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ बेसल बॉडीज. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ बेसल बॉडी which give rise to cilia and flagella. तो आप ये देख सकते हो कि सेंट्रोसोम और सेंट्रियोल्स प्ले ए वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल फॉर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ बेसल बॉडीज. जो बेसल बॉडी का जो फॉर्मेशन होता है विद द हेल्प ऑफ सेंट्रियोल. आफ्टर दैट where cilia and flagella are originated. तो अगर हम कह सकते हैं cilia और flagella originated with the help of basal body, and the basal body they are originated from centriole. This is the first important function. And the second, formation of spindle fiber that give rise to spindle apparatus at the time of cell division. This is the another important फंक्शन ऑफ द सेंट्रियोल. मीन्स एट द टाइम ऑफ सेल डिवीजन की अगर हम बात करते हैं, जैसे इन मेटाफेज स्टेज की अगर हम बात करें, इन द मेटाफेज स्टेज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सेंट्रियोल. हियर इज द सेंट्रियोल. द टू सिलेंड्रिकल स्ट्रक्चर्स दे आर प्रेजेंट ऑन बोथ द एंड ऑफ द सेल. हियर इज द सेंट्रियोल्स एंड द सेंट्रियोल्स फॉर्म a spindle fiber. जो स्पिंडल फाइबर बन रहा है, विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्पिंडल फाइबर क्रोमोसोम्स आर अटैच्ड. Chromosomes are attached with the help of spindle fiber. So here is the spindle fiber. तो स्पिंडल फाइबर आर फॉर्म विद द हेल्प ऑफ सेंट्रियोल। तो आपने देखा कि फॉर्मेशन ऑफ स्पेंडल फाइबर, जो स्पेंडल फाइबर्स आर फॉर्म विद द हेल्प ऑफ सेंट्रियोल इन केस ऑफ एनिमल सेल। इन केस ऑफ प्लांट सेल, स्पेंडल फाइबर्स आर फॉर्म from MTOC center, microtubules organizing sector, because in the plant cell centrioles are totally absent। और ये हम जानते हैं कि ये जो स्पिंडल फाइबर्स होता है, इसी के हेल्प से ऑल द क्रोमोजोम्स अरेंज्ड ऑन इक्वेटर, जो सेंटर पर आते हैं इन द मेटाफेज स्टेज ड्यू टू स्पिंडल फाइबर। तो स्पिंडल फाइबर्स प्ले ए वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट role for the movement of chromosome inside the cytoplasmic area at the time of cell division। This is the very important function of the centriole। तो इस तरह से आपने फिनिश हुआ कि what is the centrosome and centriole। Centrosome is a type of cell organelles। It consists two cylindrical structures that is known as centrioles, and the centrioles found in most of the eukaryotic cell, animal cell, plant cell, algal cell, absent in plant cell। If you cut the section of the centrioles, the microtubules arranged 9+0 arrangement in fashion, triplet microtubules, they are present on the periphery region of the cell। okay, periphery region की तरफ आपको दिख रहा है, and this arrangement is known as microtubules arranged on periphery region as well as radially arranged। तो thank you, have a nice day all of you। Hello students, how are you? Very precious good morning to all of you। Today now we are going to discuss the another important organs of the eukaryotic cell, that is known as cilia as well as flagella। The cilia and flagella is a type of locomotory organs। They are present on the surface of the cell। Here is the fine hair-like structure outgrowth, they are present on the surface of the cell, that is known as cilia as well as flagella, but the structure are slightly different with each other। They are cylindrical in structures and consist a core, and this core is known as axoneme। What is the axoneme? Axoneme, if you cut the section of cilia and flagella, अगर हम cilia और flagella का section कट करते हैं तो 9 microtubules doublet arranged। Here is the structures of the TS of flagellum or cilium। Here is the doublet structure, first and second। This is the A tubulin and B tubulin, and this structure is known as doublet microtubules। They arranged radially on periphery in 9 in number। In the center area, one pair they are present in the center area। So total 9+2 arrangements present in the cilia and flagella। Cilia and flagella is also made up of tubulin protein एज वेल एज। इसके पहले हमने अभी डिस्कस किया स्टार्टिंग में कि सेंट्रियोल इज आल्सो मेड अप ऑफ ट्यूबुलिन प्रोटीन, बट द अरेंजमेंट्स ऑफ ट्यूबुलिन प्रोटीन इन केस ऑफ सेंट्रियोल्स 9+0 अरेंजमेंट, एंड हियर द अरेंजमेंट्स ऑफ द सेंट्रियोल इज व्हाट 9+2 अरेंजमेंट्स। अब बात आती है कि व्हाट इज द structural difference between cilia and flagella। if you see the one structures like paramecium, this is the ciliated organisms, they are present in the waters and whole body are covered with the cilia। Cilia, they on the surface of body in very large amount, very large numbers, that is known as cilia। This is the cilia। This is the paramecium contains locomotory organ, and this locomotory organ is known as cilia। Similar way, in case of euglena, एक long hair like long structures are present, and this structure is known as flagella। ये फ्लैजिला। तो आप देख सकते हो कि सिलिया के जो साइज होती है वही स्मॉलर इन कंपैरिजन टू द फ्लैजिला। ये फर्स्ट एंड then what is the basic differences between cilia and flagella? Cilia and flagella many numbers per cell, in here 1 to 4 numbers per cell. आप देख सकते हो the number of the cilia in any organism more than 4, but the number of flagellum is maximum 4 in number. Present on the surface, entire surface of cell membrane, and the flagella present at a specific position, or apical portion or किसी भी portion, but in a specific portion. And another differences between cilia and flagella, it is important lower power locomotion, feeding and circulation, but the flagella having only one function, that is known as locomotion. This is the some slight differences between takes place between cilia and flagella. So cilia and flagella both are a type of locomotory organs. They are present in the animals. ये animals में पाए जाते हैं, absent in the plants. If you cut the section of the cilia and flagella, here is the TS of the flagellum, 9+2 arrangements. आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हो. Nexin is what? Nexin is a type of protein. एक प्रोटीन होती है connect the doublet microtubules. Here is the Dines arms is a type of also a contractile, just similar to the not a contractile movable protein, drive the beat of flagella as well as cilia, जो beat करते हैं, जो locomotions के लिए करते हैं with the help of Dines protein. तो cilia and flagella finished. Thank you. Have a nice day, all of you.